In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up clean charts on Tradingview. The goal here is to minimize visual distractions so you can focus on what matters most. Price action. A clean chart reduces noise, makes patterns easier to spot, and helps you make faster, more confident decisions. First, let's clear the background. Move your cursor over the chart, right-click, and choose Settings. Go to the Canvas section. Find the Grid Lines option, open the drop-down, and set it to None. Removing grid lines instantly declutters the background and lets your eyes settle on the candles without competing lines pulling your attention away. Next, we'll refine the candles themselves. While you are in Settings, switch to the Symbol tab. Choose a simple, consistent color scheme, something like white and black, or dark green and red if you prefer traditional up and down colors. Then set the borders and wicks to a strong high contrast color like black. Keeping wick and border colors uniform reduces visual busyness and makes candle bodies and swing points easier to read at a glance. Now, let's remove elements you don't need for your analysis. Right-click and hide indicator and drawing titles so only the chart data stands out. If you see event markers like dividends or splits, turn those off as well. Finally, disable the watermarks so the background stays clean. With these items gone, your chart becomes a focused workspace rather than a bulletin board of labels. For overall visibility, choose the theme that suits your environment. Open the Account menu and select Light or Dark mode. Pick the one that gives you the best contrast with your chosen candle colors and reduces eye strain during longer sessions. To make sure your price view is balanced, adjust the scale. Right-click on the Y axis and click Reset Price Scale to let Tradingview auto-scale to recent action. Then, in Settings, add a 20% right margin. That extra space to the right of current price makes it easier to visualize upcoming moves. Draw levels. And follow the market without your candles hugging the edge of the screen. With grid lines removed, candles simplified, unnecessary items hidden. Your preferred theme set and scales optimized. You now have a clean, professional chart layout. This setup keeps your attention on structure, trends, and levels without the clutter. Take a moment to look over your chart and make sure everything feels balanced and readable. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.